Yeah, this is a little piece I like to call triple piecewise torture, exercise 5 on 4.3. On this one here it says graph each piecewise function once again, and they're just trying to be clever, but really this function here, I of x, with these three different absolute value functions and three different ranges, is just supposed to really make you hate math, I suppose. But what this is doing is dividing the horizontal into three different regions, really, where it's -3, between -3 and 3, and above 3, and you have three different functions that apply within those three regions. So if I write this one out here, which is going to take a little while, I of x equals all this crap, negative absolute value x plus 4 absolute value when x is less than -3, and it's negative absolute value of x plus 2 when -3 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 3, and negative x minus 4 where x is greater than or equal to 3. I put commas in there so you don't get confused. Okay, so that's what you're supposed to graph, and when you graph that, first thing we're going to do is go 1, 2, 3, -3. That's -3. I'm just going to put a little dotted line there, and I'm going to ignore that one there. 1, 2, 3, and there's +3. And we're going to divide these regions so that we know that the yellow one applies down here where x is in that area. The green one, which is this thing here, applies in between the two threes, and it's too bad I didn't come along with another color. The orange one applies where x is greater than 3, and that being the case, we simply need to use our piecewise function process of looking at the two different equations we get here, the two different equations here, the two different equations here, and then we get the vertex for each of the three of these, and so we'll have a vertex in this region, a vertex in this region, and a vertex in this region, and we'll be able to draw our graphs within these regions. But as soon as we hit the number not -3 or hit the 3, then we stop because that function is no longer applicable. Chances are they will end up meeting, and you'll end up with some kind of a zigzaggedy thing. And quite honestly, I don't have the patience to do that.